Now we're going to go ahead and add random transformation in here as well. So we already have this random setup here. So why don't we just go ahead and we will add a new random. Grab the same iteration to drive that. Only this time we want a vector. I'm going to press tab and fit range. Just wire this right into here and wire our shift right into our transformation. So let's promote our min and max destination. And we'll call this min transform. And then we want max transform. And now what I want to do is default everything to 0. And for minimum, let's take a quick look. That should be fine. So minimum we'll want negatives, maximum positives. Let's just take a quick look and see how that's shaping up here. So let's say we had -4, +5. Oops, try the other way. Negative, negative. Okay, so that gives us some good placement, but maybe the user interface isn't as nice as we'd like. It's a lot of controls. So why don't we just simplify this so that we can just say X randomness, Y randomness, Z randomness. So we'll get rid of this and just kind of simplify this a little bit. So I'm just going to make a parameter here. And we'll call this X random, labeling this X randomness, and that will be 0 as a default. Then I'm just going to copy and paste, change everything here to Y. And then change this to Z. So let's select these and just delete them. And now what we'll do is put a float to vector. And that will allow us to create vectors that we can plug in here. So we're just going to do this. Plug that straight into our maximum. And then we will simply negate that. So pressing tab and typing negate. And that will go into our minimum here. So again, now let's take a quick look. So X randomness should move either direction. Y is going to shift directions as well. And then Z, let's take a quick look. We should be seeing some stuff going underneath and some going above, which we are seeing. So that's a little more usable. Okay, so far so good. Let's go ahead and save this. And continue.